Wagwan, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dreycosting. If it's the first time over here, what we do over here is to analyze the financial market, like chop it up into pieces so each and everyone can understand. You know I go up on a Sunday already, regular Sunday markup. Today we're going to recap all the USD as well as USD, Swiss franc, and also take a fresh look at GBP, JPY. But before we go into it, quick disclaimer. Alright, all the USD, right? So all the USD has been going up for quite a while, right? So this was what I marked up. I was last week or the week before, alright, I can't recall. But yeah, mark this up, right? Hope you guys are paying attention to the markup, paying attention to how simple trading is and not sleeping on this markup, right? So what we have right here is this up movement right here on the 8-4. So I had said previously that we want to see a retest as well, create a higher low, then we continue up for our buy, right? So far the RD USD has been creating higher lows, right? Right here, look at this right here, been creating higher lows and higher lows, right? So what do you think it's going to create here, right? What do you think it's going to create here? Let's think about it. What do you think it's going to create here? All right, I'm going to do the same thing. Watch me now. I'm going to do the same thing. All right, so it started from here, right, to here. The same thing, right? The same thing. Looking for the same movement going up. Same movement going up. Right? Same movement going up. Ain't no rocket science, right? Ain't no rocket science. So all you need to do is just wait on that retest, create a higher low, and then continue up for this buy. Okay. So if you guys watched last week marked up, right? We caught it from here where we wanted to shift, come right up here to this resistance line right here, retest, create a lower high, and continue down. So far, the USDCHF has made a shift down on the 8-4, and if you have dropped time frames, right, you could probably see the retest much earlier. But I'm a person, I like to stay on a higher time frame because I find that much better, right? So make a little small shift here, push right up here. We are looking for right now to create a lower high, and then we're going to continue in for ourselves. So right now it's in a retracement, so we're just going to wait until the confirmation right here to ensure that the basic of trading has been confirmed. So what do we want to see here when the basic of trading has been confirmed, right? The same exact thing, right? The same exact thing when it retested right here, right? No rocket science, no rocket science. So it shift down right here, retested right here, right? From here to here. Same exact thing we want to see, right? It's no rocket science. So we want to see that retest right here, right? Once that retest hit, right? No rocket science, man. No rocket science. Alright? Once that retest hit right there, we want to expect it to continue down, right? Trading is so simple, even a caveman can do it. So this is the recap of what we looked at last week. So I just want to show you guys that trading is so simple. And if you have been following my channel for a while, you realize that I would say 80% of what I'm doing always play out. So let's look at something fresh that we didn't look at for, I would say, like probably the past 3-4 weeks. Let's look at the GBP JPY. All right, so I've been watching this pair for quite some time now. So it's simple as this. Price was in an uptrend, right? And while price was in an uptrend, right, it broke the trend line. So from once it broke the trend line, all you need to do is to ensure that the basic of trading has been confirmed. It's as simple as that, right? So when it broke the trend line, it shift retested and created a lower high, right? Created a lower high right here. Lower high, right? So this is the lower high right here. So where's the previous high? This is the previous high right here, right? Previous high, right? This is the previous high right here. So if you look carefully, right? Let's just look carefully, right? This previous high right here, this lower high did not break this previous high. It created a lower high. And what's the definition of a downtrend? A series of lower highs and lower lows. So therefore, we can safely say that we're in a downtrend. But in order to continue in this trade coming this week, you cannot just jump on a moving train, right? You have to wait on the train to stop, right? So what are you going to do? The same exact thing, right? Right? Trading is no rocket science, right? All you're going to do is to wait on a retest. Ain't no rocket science, man. Ain't no rocket science, right? Ain't no rocket science. You're gonna wait on the same exact thing. Wait for it to shift, retest, create a lower high, then you continue down for your sell, right? It's as simple as that, right? Entry point here, right? Entry point here, shift, retest, create a lower high, then you continue down for your sell all the way to this next minor resistance point. It's as simple as that, right? So this right here now will be a lower high. Come on guys, this is like so easy. Even a caveman can do it, yo, trust me, right? And this now will be your previous high, right? So this right here now will be your previous high, right? That's it. So once price doesn't come back here and break this previous high, right, then you're good. It's as simple as that, right? It's no rocket science or anything. Hope you guys enjoy the markup. You know, it's a regular Sunday thing that I do, right? If there's any charts that you'd like to see me mark up, just comment below and I'll try my best to assist you, right? Or just message me on social media or email me and I'll try my best to get back to you. I always respond to everyone and try to help each and everyone. Enjoy the rest of your week and big up to everyone. I'm out.